felt like your situation is too hard, like no matter what you do, you just can't move forward. Maybe you feel stuck, maybe you feel like giving up, but today I want to tell you a story about someone who kept going even when everything was taken away from him. His name is Pramudia Anantatur. Pramudia, often called Pram, is one of Indonesia's greatest writers. He was born during the colonial era, a time when life was already full of struggle. Since he was young, he saw injustice, pressure, and limitation. But instead of staying still, he chose to express his thoughts through writing. For Pram, writing was not just a hobby, it was his way to speak, to fight, and to survive. However, his life became even harder during a period of political conflict in Indonesia. Pram was arrested not because he committed a crime, but because of his idea. He was sent to a remote place called Buru Island, a prison far away from society. Imagine living in a place where you have no freedom, no access to books, no paper, no pen, and worst of all, no certainty about your future. For many people, that kind of life will destroy the spirit, but not Pram. Even in the dark situation, he refused to give up. He found another way to keep his voice alive. Since he couldn't write, he started telling stories. Every day he shares stories with other prisoners. Stories about his story, struggle, freedom, and humanity. He created characters, he built world, he memorized everything line by line. The stories later become one of his most famous works. What makes this powerful is not just the story itself, but the process behind it. He created something meaningful without tools, without freedom, but with determination. From Pramudia, we learn something very important. Your situation does not define your potential. You may feel limited, you may feel like you don't have enough research, but your mind, your idea, and your voice, they are still yours. And no one can take that away from you. Pram's story teaches us about resilience. He didn't wait to the perfect condition, he didn't wait until life became easy. He used what he had, even when what he had was almost nothing. And that is something we often forget. We complain when things are not perfect, we stop when things get hard. But Pram continued, even when everything was against him. So next time you feel like giving up, remember Pramudia Anantatur, a man who lost his freedom but never lost his courage, a man who had no pen but still created powerful story. Because in the end, the true strength does not come from comfort, it comes from the courage to keep going, no matter how hard life gets. Thank you.